Hello guys, I hope you're all doing splendidly. In the last videos we focused on hand technique, fills and song structure, and now we're gonna focus on our feet. Today's video is a bass drum workout. It is about getting a good feel for your pedal, getting comfortable with placing the bass drum all around the measure, and building some endurance. We go in 3 speeds and start with 50 BPM. Let us focus on solid and precise bass drum strokes throughout the whole practice. With that said, let's get started. This bass drum practice consists out of 3 parts, and the third part has an in-between the grid feel. I get in this bass drum pattern best by playing the first bass drum note in between the 8 notes and just keep this feel going. Maybe this approach is for you too. Well done, everyone. If you struggle a bit here and there or feel uncomfortable with some of the pattern, repeat the exercise a good amount of time until you can get down solid and precise bass drum strokes through all the practice. And beside this practice also helps to build up some endurance on the bass drum. That's it for now. Have a splendid week. See you next time.